In this video, I'll be showing you over 100 AI-generated banner ads created using advanced prompts and the Nano-Banana model. If you're one of my YouTube Premium members, you'll get this entire prompt list completely free. Just check the post section on my channel. And for all other viewers, don't worry, the pack is available through the link in the description below. These banner ads are some of the most creative and professional visuals I've ever made with Nano-Banana, and they're perfect for any brand or business. So watch till the end, and don't forget to comment which banner ad style you like the most.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Just head over to Google and type Google AI Studio Nano-Banana. Click the first link that says Google AI Studio Nano-Banana tool. Once you're in, you'll see 4 options on the main dashboard. From here, select Nano-Banana. You'll see the Nano-Banana interface, a sleek and simple design tool powered by Google AI. This feature lets you generate or customize banners in literally seconds. Now we're in the new project area. Here you just need to type the prompt for the banner you want to create. For example, let's generate a Puma Nitro Flash ad. After typing your prompt, look over to the right side of the interface. You'll see the aspect ratio options. You can choose from many different sizes, but since we're making a banner, we'll go with a 16:9 ratio. Now hit enter and let the AI work its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll have a stunning, high-quality banner ready to go. When you're happy with your design, just click download. That's it, a professional quality banner made in seconds with your personal touch. So go ahead, watch Google AI Studio's Nano-Banana exciting banners results that truly stand out. Sportswear campaigns: Nike, Air Pulse campaign; Adidas, Aeroflex ad banner; Under Armour, Speed Shift Spotlight; New Balance Neo Run Series; Reebok, Hypervolt ad; beauty advertisements: L'Oreal, Lumi Glow Serum; Maybelline, Skylift Mascara; Fenty Beauty, Gloss Bomb Heat; movie advertisements: Sci-Fi Blockbuster, Neon Horizon; romantic drama: Under Starlit Skies; action thriller: Velocity Zero; tech and gadget ads: Apple, Vision Air AirPods; Samsung, Galaxy Fusion Fold; automotive advertisement: Tesla, Volt Edge Concept. You can also generate or create amazing banners through this tool feature in any size, color, texture, and your own style. And it's totally free to create these amazing banners. And that's it for today's video. You've just seen 100+ AI banner ads created using Nano-Banana prompts, all designed to help you create stunning, high-quality ads in seconds. If you're a premium member, remember, you can download the full prompt list for free in the post section. And if you're one of my regular subscribers, the link is waiting for you in the description below. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which banner design inspired you the most? Drop your feedback in the comments, and tell me if you'd like to see more AI ad collections like this in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.